Move your big foot, Kev.
I know, that's like me taking pictures and I have my finger.
Try to look at the bottom of the boat, Kev's got a telephone pole stuck across. But that's a big yellowtail right there, boy. Good move, kid. That thing weighs 3 pounds. Man, yeah, turn around, you'll see it. He's right there. He's just hanging out. He ain't even. Turn, keep going around, come on around. He's just laying there. He's that long. I caught one 23 inches. Took me about 45 minutes, but I got him. He's right.
He's gone now.
I don't know.
For dinner.
I don't know. No, he ain't. No, he ain't there either. Over there. Look, there's another nice one right there.